Dito, anong ginawa mong blue? The water is blue. What else is blue? Red. Look at this one. Red, yan. Ito orange. Ito green, no? Yellow. Wait, ito green. Oh, ito blue. Eyes. Look at Lolo's eyes. What color is Lolo's eyes?
Blue.
Blue. Oh, yun.
Sulat natin.
Gagawa ako ng, magdodrawing ako ng eyes and then you color it blue, okay?
Okay. Tapos ako magdadrawing.
Ikaw magko-color. Ganyan ang eyes.
Color blue dapat. Iba't yung matong
Blue. Oh. What is that? Blue eyes. Look, Lolo, show your eyes.
Blue.
Oh, the other one pa.
Di pa tapos.